I'm Emily. I'm a newborn and maternity photographer turned children's book author and super excited about it. For years, you guys have been telling me that I need to voice over children's books, but there's a copyright law that says I can't read somebody else's books online, but I can write my own. I can't draw though, so I did have to reach out for a little bit of help. I logged on to Fiverr's platform and I was able to find Jasmine T. Mills. She illustrated in the perfect style for me. Not only did she make the process super effortless by asking me questions right down to the outfit, she truly brought to life exactly what I had in my head and helped me put it in a book. And there are no words to describe how excited I am. There's something about when you actually see it for the first time versus like on a computer, like holding it in your hands is real life, and I am obsessed. It is going to be available on Amazon, and okay.